Hey guys, it's Lunar here, and this is my announcement towards EAS Illinois. Why the fuck would you bait me like that, huh? Why would you bait me like that? I waited for a minute for the freaking premiere, and all I fucking see is a 5-second screen that says, "Lol, got him." Shut the fuck up! You did not do this to me! I waited so long for the fucking scenario! All you get me is this! Oh my god, I was so hyped for this scenario! You probably didn't even do shit! Ugh! All you fucking criminals! This! The fucking screen! Ugh! Okay. I'm gonna take a breather. Okay. EAS Illinois, I have one request for you.
Give me the fucking scenario!